Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm so happy you guys are here. My name is Maria, aka Sita, and today we have a video with a couple of September challenges that we're working on. And guys, I have some Happy Mail and we're going to be putting some money into our purple binder. If this is content you guys are interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I am back in today's video. I'm going to be working on these challenges again. I'm going to try and do these every day or at least every other day. And I am also going to be working on this here binder, and I have some Happy Mail that I'm excited to finally open. Now, this challenge here is from Yenzi at Budgeting My Debt. Let me move it up, and I apologize for yesterday's video. I realized when I was editing it that parts of it were definitely not in frame. So again, I apologize for that. I'm going to try and do better in this video. I think I had the camera up too high and I couldn't see what I was doing. All right, so for the 5th, she rolled, was it another 6? Yes, she rolled another 6. So we've got $6 going in here. We started out with the low numbers, but look how it's picking up, guys. And for those of you who haven't printed this challenge out yet, go check her out, check her channel out, and check her Ko-Fi shop. And, you know, if you're interested, go ahead and do this challenge with us. All right, we're going to put 4 back, and we're going to grab a 10. I don't normally count the money, but how exciting. We already have $20, and it's not even the first full week. How are you guys all doing? It is Friday evening, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I was actually going to do this tomorrow. However, it is Jaden's first soccer game. We have some running around to do. We have to pick their cousin up, so it might end up being a busy Saturday, so I figured let me do it now. All right, so yesterday, you know what? I'm going to put $2 in because I am going to consider it a spend day, and I'm going to explain it to you in a minute. Today was a no spend day. We actually were going to order out some wings and pizza, but guys, in my deep freezer, I had some frozen wings, the ones that the buffalo honey barbecue and some buffalo wings, 2 small bags. So we made those, and I had 2 cauliflower pizzas, and it just so happens that the kids like cauliflower pizza too, and it had spinach, so it was pretty healthy. I'm so glad they ate it because they saved me money, you know, with me having to order out on a Friday night, which we normally do. So we've got $1 for Friday. Yesterday, why or how did I spend money if we were home? Well, as some of you already know, if you saw my last video, Aaliyah did my nails, and I always try and give her a couple dollars just to show my appreciation for the work that she's doing. So I gave her $20. Now that $20 I got from my wallet from the miscellaneous envelope, and I wasn't going to count it as a spend, but you know what, guys, these aren't necessary. And the fact that, you know, I got them done, and of course if I had gone to a salon I would have paid a lot more, but I want to keep her encouraged and, you know, keep her interested in doing it. So I gave her a $20 tip, and that's okay. I did not mind spending that money. Okay, these were all ones. I did not, you know, mind spending that money. She did a good job, and if I had gone to the salon, I would have definitely paid a lot more than $20. All right, so we're done with this one. And lastly, oh, by the way, guys, this is from Taj at Beautiful Budgets. I'm going to link all these ladies in the description box, so if you guys are interested in printing them out and joining us for the month of September, you guys go ahead and do that. Now Jessie Budgets, this is her group play. It is closed for this month, but keep an eye out. Go subscribe to her channel because she'll probably have it again in October. All right, so let's see how much money we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. You know what? I'm only going to do one thing. You know what, guys? Let me scratch one of these off and see how much it is. Okay, so that's $5. We're going to stop right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to save that $2 for the upcoming days. Alrighty, not bad at all. Let me just cross it off here so I don't get mistaken. All right, not bad. Oh, I thought I lost the paper clip. It's so tiny. All right, so not bad at all for my September savings. And moving right along, guys, we have some Happy Mail. I told you guys I had quite a few things coming in this week, and I had a few things coming last week, and I just want to, you know, support people in the community. Let me open this up. Alrighty, guys, here we go. And some of you recognize this Happy Mail. It's from Salisa, Beautifully Me and You. And her shop is Beautiful Budgets Co. I'm going to link her information as well. Guys, I absolutely love working on her bookmarks. They are double-sided. Whoa, that's a 44 and that's a 55. Yikes. Here is her little thank you card. And guys, look, it's a scratch off. So, y'all, it's a savings challenge. How cute is this? I am going to add this to my bag of challenges so we can work on that. Now we have this freebie that she said she was sending out. We're going to be able to save $50 with this. And again, I am going, oh, it's double-sided. I'm going to put this in my bag of savings challenges. Look how cute all this stuff is. Now, quite a few of these. Let's see. I believe these are the ones I ordered separate. And again, they're all double-sided. And then this here, wait a minute. This here, look how cute. Goes here. I ordered that. And then this here came all together. We've got this here, Double Me Challenge. How cute. And a magnetic bookmark. And I love this because especially when you're doing like minis or when you're working on a binder and you stopped in on one particular, you know, envelope, you can put this one there so you don't lose track of where you left off. All right, and this is a $200 scratch and save. Numbers are between 5 and 35. And this is her. That's just how we roll. I'm not going to sing like her because nobody does it like Salisa. But this one here, you roll the 2 dice. Step 2, you find a combo and save. Step 3, if no combo is left, save a number from already rolled columns, which is right here. Alrighty, how awesome are these challenges? Now, I am going to set these here to the side because we're not going to be using them today. But we do have our purple binder, and this is where some of her challenges are. Now, this one here is our, oh, there we go, messing up again, Maria. This one here is our 2025 Friday, so I'm going to leave this one as is. We are going to move over here. And we're going to put all, yes, we're going to put all of them in here. So let's see. We are going to put them all here. Oh, I should have did it. I messed that up, guys. And then we are going to put our envelope right here for our bookmark challenges. And I love, love, love the iridescent. Now, we're not going to start working on these here today. But 1 second, let me. Come on, girl. What are you doing? Okay, we're not going to work on these here today, but we will start working on them soon enough. Again, look how cute they all are. Now, maybe I should have did this. You know what? Yeah. Forgive me, guys. Forgive me. I am going to add these two first and then add this one. Because we're going to start working on these ready for fall. And then we're going to do Halloween. We got Thanksgiving and Christmas. Are we going to finish them on in time? Nope. Guys, I hope you saw that. Because I was back here again. I got to figure something out with this setup. Because I don't be paying attention. And then I'm not even on camera. So let's get started. It is Friday. So we are going to save some money in our 2025 Fridays. But first, let's count our money. That's 60. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $100. So guys, we've got $100 going into this binder today. We are going to start with our 2025 Fridays. And actually, we have 2 that we are going to do. We are going to do this extra week in August. So that's $29. Yikes. And Today is the 5th. So that is going to be $34 going in here. Do I have change? So that's 35, and we're going to grab a dollar bill and put it here. Alrighty. Now the money saved for the first half of the year is already in the bank. This money was going towards, actually, yeah, it's already in the bank because I used it towards my 20K retirement book, and most of that money is in the bank. So again, these beautiful bookmarks, we're going to save these and we're going to be working on them. Or you know what? If we have a few dollars, we might do one of these first. Might. It depends on if we have a few dollars left over. All right, let's go over here. We're going to roll the die and see. You know what? I think I'm going to do, so we can hurry up and finish this. This here challenge is from Budget with Mrs. P. We're going to do, maybe not. Let's see. I said we were going to try and do the first row. Why not? $10 so far. Watch it be a 6. Another, y'all gotta be kidding me. Guys, let me just slide it over. Another 5. Can you believe that? $20, but that's okay. That means we're going to get it done quicker, and then once we're done with this challenge, this money is going to go into our 20K savings book. Wow, what are the chances? All 5s. This one here, we're going to use one single die, which is this one, to determine how many rows we're going to play for this session, and then we're going to roll. So let's see how much money do we have left. Yikes. All right, let's go. Oh, not bad. 2. So we're going to do 2, and let's see, a 1. Again, not bad at all. And 3. Okay, I can deal with that. That's $4 going in here today. Let me see if I have any change. Oops. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4 going into this one here. Okay, we're not going to finish any of these today, guys, but we're going to at least hopefully get to work on all of them. So this one here is from Angie's Finances. We've got a $50 savings challenge. We already did a 10. Let's scratch off this one here in the center. Nope, another 10. Okay, that one is for 50, which means we have $30 to go before we complete it. So I'm going to take the 10 out and put the 20 there. All right, let's keep going, guys. This one here was from Savings Creations Co. This was a freebie that came with the order I placed with her recently. Her dreams don't whisper, they roar with possibility. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to put these raggedy ones. Why are they still here? I need to switch them out and put them in my wallet. I'm going to put them here and grab a 10. All right, this next one scares me, guys. This is from Jen on a Budget. I hope, oh, we have enough. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Because I believe the biggest number is a 20, so. Now this one comes with a built-in envelope, so let's just scratch and see what we come up with. Which one should we do, guys? Let's do this one here. Okay, not bad, guys. We still have a few dollars left. So we've got $10 going in here. And we're going to go to our road to retirement, save 20K. We have a few challenges here that we are currently working on. This one here is from Nita at the Almost Organized Owl. Guys, she currently has this listed on Amazon, and it's the full-size version. So if you guys are interested in getting the full-size version, check her out. You can check the link in her description or just go on Amazon. And I believe, you know what, I'm not even sure what name it's under. So I'll link her channel. You guys can check it out. And again, if you're interested, make a purchase. This is an awesome book. All right, so we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. I know I have one back here that I started. See, we're working on that one. That one's $50. That's $20. But I started working on one last week that had lower denominations. Let's see. No, not that one. Here we go. Perfect. So this one we're going to do 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are really going to get rid of these ugly ones. I'm going to put that there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, we have another $10 completed for this one here. Unfortunately, that is all we have for this book today. But as we finish these challenges here, we are going to continue saving here. And you know what? We're not doing bad. We've completed quite a few, so that's done. This one's done. This one's done. We're not done with that one. This one's done, and we're working on a few more. So far, so good. This book has been a lot of fun, and it's going to save us 20K, guys. So stay tuned. It's going to be a while, so I hope you guys aren't in a rush and don't plan on going nowhere anytime soon, because we're going to be working on that for a little bit. All right, so we're going to put this in here. And just to give you an idea of what I've saved so far. So we've got some of the money in the bank. We've got 5, 7, 800 in the bank already. 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So far we've saved $840, guys. Not bad at all. And that money is earning interest in my high yield savings account, and that's definitely money that won't be touched for a long while. Alrighty, guys, that is all I have for you today. I am so glad that I decided to come on here and, you know, make this video real quick. I'm going to try my best to post it this evening. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, night, depending on what time you're watching. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and have an amazing weekend. We'll be chatting soon, guys.